Welcome from beautiful Banff, Canada in Alberta, where I've been attending the Paddy Crean Workshop for the last about week. I was an intern this year, although intern means something different here than it does most places. I actually ended up teaching about 10 classes over the 6.5-day workshop. So we did some gun disarms classes. We repeated that one 3 times. That was really popular and fun. We did some basic introduction to handgun and other things. This is an international workshop, and so it's always really interesting for me to get together with my peers from Canada, from the UK, from Australia, from Northern Europe. We have people from all over, in Mexico even, and so it's always interesting to kind of swap stories about what are the rules and regulations and the cultural norms of how things work, especially around firearms on set. So for me, as creator of YouTube and the Theatrical Firearms Handbook, this is always an interesting place to kind of swap notes, as well as being kind of the genesis of some of the information that is out there in that book. There's pictures from previous Paddy Crean workshops working with Thomas Potter, for example, on tactical firearms. Lars wasn't here this year. It was interesting. Their usual gun guys weren't here, which is part of why I ended up stepping up. Normally we'll have somebody with police or military background doing some tactical firearms training here as well. It's a fascinating every 2 years kind of workshop. Highly encourage it for anybody who can make it. So I'll throw some footage out here. I was also, as my duties here, doing photography and videography. But what that means is the stuff I was teaching didn't get very well covered because I can't cover myself. So I do have a little bit here, as well as playing with the new GoPro, seeing how that footage turns out. So I'll throw a little on there. But until next time, thanks for watching YouTube, and I'll go back to hopefully some regular contributions maybe next week. Happy New Year. Hope you guys are all doing well. Thanks.